Can we install a set of high-performance headlights in a Jeep JK in less than 2 minutes? Let's find out. Now, when we're talking high-performance LED headlights, we are talking about the JW Speaker 8700 Evolution J2 headlights, specifically designed for the 2007 Plus Jeep JK. These are a plug-and-play. They go right in, and no anti-flicker harness is needed. That's right, hit the switch, they're on, and they run perfect, and they are bright. They feature the dual burn technology where both the high and low beam LEDs come on when you flip those highs on to lighten up the road. Yet don't worry about legality because they are US DOT and Transport Canada compliant for use in North America, so you're good there. But the big question is, can we put a set of these in this JK in less than 2 minutes? Well, put 2 minutes on the clock, let's find out. So let's get this hood open. And out of the way. Right across the top here, we've got 6 of these body clips. Pop up the center. Just grab a hold of the top of the grill and then towards the bottom. Now on the back side, you have the turn indicators. Grab a hold of them, give them a twist, and they pop right out. And the grill's out. All right, then a T15 Torx bit. Pull our headlight bezels off. Now on the back side of the headlight, you got this little red lock tab. Push it back. And sometimes they are tight. Squeeze down the green tab, give it a little bit of wiggle, and the headlight's out. Now we can take our JW Speaker headlight, pop the bezel on, plug it in. Grill comes back in. Our turn indicators snap in the bottom. And then there's a clip right below the headlight. And now our body pins. So there you have it, 2 JW Speaker 8700 Evolution J2 high performance 7-inch round headlights in this 2012 JK, somewhere around the 2-3 minute mark. Easy to do and lots of performance. How much performance? Well, hey, right after I'm finished here, let's take it out on the road, see what it's like. Stock versus JW J2s. So how's that for a comparison? Stock versus the JW Speaker J2 headlights. Big difference. And hey, with any modification you do to your Jeep, you should make it more fun to drive. And a good set of high-performance headlights will definitely make a difference, especially during those dark and dreary months during the winter time. So where can you get a set of JW Speaker Evolution J2 headlights for your Jeep? Well, at Northridge 4x4, of course. Check the description box down below for a link to our website where you can get a set for your Jeep. Leave us a comment. Do you like it? Do you want some high performance lights for your Jeep? Maybe you've already got JW Speaker. Talk about how great they are. Tell us how much you love them. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already. And until next time, thanks Northridge Nation.